Welcome to this presentation on mastering attitudinal scales. My name is Dr. Sabanda. We'll be covering foundations, scale functions, development hurdles, scale types, the measurement link, and key takeaways. In this first section, we'll establish the foundations of attitudinal scales. This session unpacks attitudinal scales as quantitative tools for measuring attitude intensity. We will explore their types, functions, and construction to enable nuanced and comparable attitude assessment. We will describe different attitudinal scales and their usage, discuss the functions of scales in quantitative research, identify and overcome difficulties in scale development, express the link between attitudinal and measurement scales, and evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each scale. Let's compare quantitative and qualitative approaches to attitude inquiry. Quantitative research allows exploration, measurement, and determination of attitude intensity. It combines attitudes to different aspects into a single overall indicator, using techniques like attitudinal scales to measure intensity. Qualitative research, on the other hand, can only explore the spread and types of attitudes prevalent. It lacks the methodology to measure or quantify attitude intensity and is best suited to explore the diversity of attitudes. Now, let's move on to scale functions. Attitudinal scales address the limitations of single overall questions by providing a nuanced and aggregated view of attitudes. A single question cannot capture different attitudes towards various aspects of an issue. Scales measure intensity on multiple aspects and mathematically combine them into one summary indicator. Let's discuss the challenges in scale creation. Firstly, deciding which aspects to include, selecting statements that accurately reflect attitudes towards the main issue. Secondly, choosing a valid procedure for aggregation, often dictated by the scale type. And thirdly, ensuring the scale truly measures the intended attitude through logical links. Now, let's explore the different scale types. We'll be covering three major attitudinal scales: the Likert scale, the Thurston scale, and the Gutman scale. Each scale family offers distinct assumptions about statement weight and aggregation, guiding researchers to the most suitable approach. The Likert scale assumes equal attitudinal value for all statements, providing a simple and relative ranking of respondents. Key principles: each statement has equal importance, a key limitation. Relative measurement places respondents relative to each other, not absolute. Scoring is reversed for negative items to ensure consistent direction. The final score is the sum of numerical values for all responses. The Thurston scale uses a panel of judges to assign a weight to each statement, resulting in an interval-level score that reflects absolute attitude intensity. An expert panel rates statement importance on an 11-point scale. The median value becomes the statement's attitudinal weight. Statements with scattered ratings, no consensus, are removed. Now, let's discuss the link between attitudinal and measurement scales. Correctly pairing an attitudinal scale with its corresponding measurement level is vital for choosing the right descriptive statistics and inferential tests, ensuring analytical rigor. The Likert scale corresponds to the ordinal scale. The Thurston scale corresponds to the interval scale. The Gutman scale corresponds to the ratio scale. Let's summarize what we've covered. The Likert scale assumes equal weight and offers quick ordinal ranking. The Thurston scale uses expert weights for interval precision, reflecting absolute intensity. The Gutman scale enables ratio-level measurement with strict unidimensionality. Remember, qualitative methods remain exploratory, mapping attitude diversity without measuring intensity or creating combined scores. Here's a practical guide to selecting the right scale. Choose scales based on study purpose, validity needs, and resources. Always verify construct validity and ensure statement relevance. Choose Likert for speed and simplicity when you need a quick, easy-to-administer scale for relative ranking. Choose Thurston for interval accuracy when expert consensus is available and you need a more precise, absolute measure. Choose Gutman for strict unidimensionality when you require a cumulative, hierarchical measurement structure. Thank you.